In this video, I will be showing you how to share a Gamma AI presentation in Embed mode. I'm starting on my Gamma dashboard where I can see all of my recent projects. I'll begin by clicking on the Video AI Technology Guide presentation to open it up. As the editor loads, I can take a quick look at the slides to ensure everything is ready for the public. To start the sharing process, I'll move my cursor to the top right of the screen and click on the Share button. This opens up the sharing settings panel. Before I can embed the presentation, I need to make sure the permissions are set correctly. I'll click on the drop-down menu next to anyone with the link and change the setting from No Access to View. This allows visitors to see the content without being able to edit it. Now I'll look at the left-hand sidebar of this window and select the Embed option. The iframe snippet for the presentation appears right here. I'll click on the Copy Embed Code button to save that code to my clipboard, making it ready to paste into my website or blog. If I also need a direct link, I can click Copy Share Link at the bottom of the panel. And there you have it. That's the complete process of sharing a Gamma AI presentation in Embed mode.